been successful. I don't know what the fucking second or third step is even. Does success have a smell?
Okay, so we're gonna do a little bit of unboxing for the shit ton of parts I got from Import Image Racing. There's so much shit. This is ridiculous. So this is the E85 stuff. I'm wearing a black shirt, so I hold it in front of you. E85 sensor. There's the module. Can't see it on me. I just really like the box, how well everything's kept.
It just all feels quality. It all feels OEM quality.
Yeah. Little Cobb thank you card.
Yeah, well,
Personally signed by Jorge.
Jay.
Oh,
Close enough.
Jorge J.
Thanks, Jay.
Thanks, Jay. This is the filter for the much needed fuel pump. I need the thing, right? Yeah. This thing is so small. Feels like I'm holding a small rodent. Say it with me. Fuel pump.
Fuel pump.
This guy is the Versus billet clutch fork pivot point. I wonder how weak the old one is and like the OEM one is in. If it's like a must-have.
Yeah.
What does that say about the OEM one? Is it built just up to handle stock?
It's probably just built
That's terrifying.
to their specs.
This is the pivot ball's friend. They're gonna be touching each other a lot. That's heavy duty.
That's fucking solid.
I like how they put their emblem on it.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, kid. That's sick. And I guess while we're in the transmission section of the parts, it's a really good thing to include something like that. He sent it. I like how they put the heat shields on this too.
That is.
Isn't that beefy?
That is.
It'll look so good.
Cool looking.
So that's an air oil separator. I'm not looking forward to installing that one, just mainly because like you have to move some brackets around and shit. I already see this one. So this thing is fucking massive, dude,
Yeah.
and it's heavy. Why? I don't know why it's so heavy.
No.
Sick. I think eventually I'm gonna get it anodized all black, and then obviously that's gonna go away. And then around the same area, I'm gonna get the white, zero and white. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna have to reroute my splitter rods somewhere. I don't know where. I already have holes in the fucking splitter for where they're at. So now that's out of the bag, here's all the clampy boys. A gasket. It's a fuck ton of brackets, dude. This is like 4 pounds of just brackets.
That is a cool finish. I like that.
Yeah, the wrinkle black. It's really gonna match that AOS. Yeah, you can see it on camera. This is what popped off of Tim's car when he broke down on the side of the road.
Proving to be quite a pain.
Hi there. So here we have the ACT heavy duty street clutch. I didn't want to go with the 6-puck because fuck that. Here's the clutch itself.
I'm sure that'll
That's-
come super in handy.
That's rare nowadays. Half this shit doesn't come with instructions anymore. And then you got the flywheel.
Pretty fly, yo.
Ooh, pressure plate.
Such a fancy pillow. So cool. That's all she wrote.
Makes me anxious just looking at these parts. Alright, let's start now. Alright guys, well, it's time to start prepping the Subi for a clutch install. So the plan today is to stop by Subaru, get the gear oil that I need, get the seal that I need. I'll come back, put the Subaru on jacks. I'll go ahead and start taking off like the wheels and everything. Hopefully at this point you guys have seen the unboxing of all the shit I plan to do to the Subaru, which should get it around 400 horsepower. But yeah, hopefully we'll start that and finish the clutch this weekend when I get some help. I will get back to you after we get back from Subaru. Happy cars happy. Just kidding. So I just left Subaru. They only had 2 quarts of gear oil, which is okay because I don't need it right this second. But I'm on my way home right now and I'll start tearing into her. Okay, so finally home. This is the start to the whole 400 horsepower potential that I'm looking for. Finally getting back to the roots of the WRX. I've been working on other things, Skyline, Civic and all that, which isn't a... I enjoy it. I enjoy working on anything, and that's what we're gonna do on the channel, is just do a little bit of everything. Let's jump right into it. So, this is kind of sketch. I'm a little worried. I don't like how high off the ground that is. Hopefully that's enough room to drop a transmission. Now I can take the wheels off, I'll get those off, and then I'll pop the hood and get the intercooler off. I'm not a professional by any means, I don't know what the fuck I'm doing, but I gotta pull that, I know for a fact. Then I gotta disconnect these, and the clampy boys in here, and then right here, and that should give me plenty of room to get down there. I'm sure there's better ways to do things, but this gives us plenty of access to the transmission, the bell housing, and the bolts and everything we need. I guess that's all I really can do today. Alrighty guys, so that's all I'm doing today. Actually 2 of my buddies are coming over Saturday and Sunday, and hopefully we can knock this stupid thing out. I hate doing clutches. Alright, hopefully when I start this up again, it'll be Friday or Saturday. So just today, I've decided that because the car is in the condition it's in, I'm just gonna go ahead and start installing everything. Josh is here now.
Yeah.
He's been here for a minute.
Yeah.
But we've been spending all of our time relocating wires because the intercooler touches everything. Nice and routed. Still gotta relocate the fucking dumb horn. Then, intercooler. It's finally on.
It's almost 2 of them.
I'm glad this is done. I just gotta route the lines. This guy comes off. This guy comes on. I don't know what I'm doing, honestly. Welcome to my home, where we have mandatory fun. Mandatory fun! How's it going there, bud?
Going good.
You enjoy yourself?
All the things I could have spent my Thursday night doing. And I was like, you know what? I'm going to go over to Steven's house and I'm going to help him because I'm such a good friend.
Just, this looks so fucking dumb to me. But, it's on. That's the first step to success. Right? Something like that? I don't either.
I haven't been successful. I don't know what the fucking second or third step is even. Does success have a smell? Where's the 12? God mounted.
Finally finished the front mount. It turned out well. So we're not putting this pipe on that connects up here because we got to drop the trans. But other than that, it's all done. That's all we're gonna record tonight. We might put this in its own video. We might not. I don't know. Guess we'll see when we look at the footage and how tomorrow goes. Okay, that's it.